Hello everybody, we are on Eastern edition of ECO ZLOT. I'm Bart, I'm representing EV Repair Company, and we are here together with NRF on this event which is dedicated to electric cars. We are promoting together good quality parts, and we are promoting repairs of electric cars. We are giving education to end users that they know that they can feel safe with their electric cars, because there are companies like EV Repair who, together with NRF that is providing us parts, can repair electric cars, because this is the biggest questions and biggest concern of owners or future owners of electric cars, that they don't know if they will be able to repair those cars. So we are giving this answer, and we are promoting electric cars and electromobility together with NRF. So we are attending in such kind of events very often, and we are planning this year to do it much more in order to, again, promote electromobility and promote that the electromobility is safe and secure. And yeah, that's very simple. We want them to buy more electric cars that we can repair them together.